Welcome all to trevlyngh GH. My name is Trevor and I'm the host for today. And today we're going to show you a unique property, not the usual properties that we normally show you, which is quite modern, quite contemporary and trendy. This is an older house and we're talking about 100 feet by 100 feet plot. So the older size plots, and we're located right now in Adenta Housing. So without further ado guys, let's head out, let's check the compound and see what we've got for you. So over here, what we have a nice borehole here, which has been dug, and you get fresh water coming in here, which is great. So you never run out of water. In Ghana, you can't believe, but this is a real bonus for you. You also have a poly tank up the top right here behind me, which gives you more water storage and so forth. On my right, you have the plantain section, and the back here is all paved and all tiled, and you have parking for at least 4 to 5 cars. Without further ado, let's head in, but we're gonna head in through the kitchen. So here we are in the lovely kitchen. You've got great storage space all around you. As mentioned, this home is a traditional Ghanaian home. What you do have going for it is the amount of space. It's over 2,000 square feet, which is fantastic and in need of modernization. Now, if you want to take it as it is, no problem. If you want to take it as a business, also no problem. Now, let's have a look inside the rooms. Now, over to my left, you have bedroom number 6. So 6 bedrooms this is. Over here, with a shared of shower room and so forth. Over here, you've got bedroom number 5, and you've got bedroom number 4. Now, let's head over and have a look at bedroom number 3, number 2, and number 1. Now, before we do that, let's head over to the bedroom number 3. So this is bedroom number 3. Again, very, very good size. You have the original louvers, you've got the mosquito nets in between it, and you've got an ensuite shower room. As mentioned before, this type of property is not our modern normal homes that we advertise and market. But this is an opportunity for someone who's looking for a traditional home in Ghana, looking for something with compound space and a huge ground floor, a bungalow in that in fact. So if you're looking to retire in Ghana and you want to be in a Adenta Housing location, opposite Crystal Eye Clinic, that sort of location, minutes away from Adenta shopping mall and so forth, this is a great property for you. Now let's have a look at bedroom number 2, which is right over here. Again, good sized bedroom with ensuite shower room. And let's head back out to bedroom number 1, which is behind my cameraman over there, which is fantastic. So again, very, very good sizes over here, and you'll be able to see all the details mentioned to you. Now, there is another little special trick here. You do also have a dining area of this huge living area space. So without further ado, I think we should wrap things up and let's head outside. Guys, sadly we've come to the end of our tour for today, and what we need to do is just a recap. So the recap is we're in Adenta Housing down next to Crystal Eye Clinic, and we're on a plot 100 feet by 100 feet. The property is 6 bedrooms and it needs modernization. If not, you can take it as it is. It's currently going for 175,000 USD or equivalent in Ghana cities. Check the description details below. Now, if you haven't already subscribed to trevlyngh GH, do so right now. Hit the notification button, hit the subscribe button, and of course, we will be in touch. On that note, guys, we love you and we appreciate you. See you on the next run.